everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Norma Occipitalis. We will start our topic with introduction. Norma Occipitalis refers to the posterior view of skull, highlighting the occipital region and related structures. This perspective is essential for studying cranial anatomy, forensic identification, as it provides insights into the bony landmarks and attachment sites for the muscles. Now let's talk about what are the bones visible from the Norma Occipitalis. Several bones and sutures contribute to the posterior structure of cranium. They include occipital bone that is unpaired bone, parietal bone that is paired bone, and temporal bone that is paired bone and it is partially visible. First, we will talk about occipital bone. Occipital bone forms the posterior part of skull and its features include foramen magnum, through which spinal cord passes. It contains external occipital protuberance that serve as a muscle attachment point. Next bone is parietal bone, that is paired bone. That means there will be two bones in every skull. They are located at the upper posterior part of the skull and it articulates with the occipital bone at the lambdoid suture. Next bone is temporal bone, that is paired bone. That means there will be two bones or two temporal bones in every skull and they are partially visible from the Norma Occipitalis. They contribute to the posterior lateral region and it includes the mastoid process that is an important attachment site for muscle involved in head movements. Now let's talk about the key features of Norma Occipitalis. The first thing is lambdoid suture that connects the occipital and parietal bone. The second is external occipital protuberance, that is bony prominence that serves as an attachment sites for ligament and muscle. The third feature of Norma Occipitalis is superior and inferior nuchal line, that is horizontal ridges on the occipital bone aiding in muscle attachment. Next feature of the Norma Occipitalis is foramen magnum, that is large opening at the skull base allowing passage for the spinal cord. Now let's talk about the clinical and surgical applications of Norma Occipitalis. The first application is neurological assessment. As understanding occipital bone structure aids in diagnosing trauma, so it helps in neurological assessment of trauma. The second application of Norma Occipitalis is in cranial surgery, as it provides access point for procedure involving cerebellum and brainstem. And the next importance of application of the Norma Occipitalis is forensic identification, as Norma Occipitalis is used to assess skull shape and individual identity in forensic anthropology. So this was all about Norma Occipitalis. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.